Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to add a Kick or a Twitch clips player onto your OBS for completely free. It's essentially just a browser source and I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy, it'll take less than 1 minute and let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is head over to streamable.run and sign up for a free account. After you're signed in, we're going to add either your Twitch or your Kick. So just go over to settings, destinations, and I already have mine set here, but you can just add a new destination, either Twitch or Kick. Once your Twitch is added, you can go over to Tools and Clips Player. And here, Streamable has a really nice UI where you can select or deselect any of the clips here. You can also select all, and you can sort by time. So it'll do past 6 months, minimum views, it's at 100, and you can sort by most recent and most viewed. If there's any clips that you don't want included, you can just deselect them right here and click Save Clips Player. Now we have a browser source link here, and so we can just copy it by clicking the icon here. And then we go over to OBS and we want to create a new source by clicking this plus icon, new browser source. We'll name it Clips Player. And simply paste the link into here. I do width 1920 by 1080 because that's the rectangle that the clips are usually in for Twitch or Kick. And there you go. Just click OK. And just like that, you have a clips player that your viewers will see whenever you start streaming. And again, the clips player is completely free, but I will say that if you're an IRL streamer and want the clips player to automatically be shown to your viewers when your camera or your phone loses connection, then I highly recommend checking out Streamable. It does exactly that. So if you're IRL streaming and you lose connection, without Streamable, your stream will just end completely and all your viewers will be kicked. But with Streamable, we make sure your stream does not end. And while you're offline, we show your offline clips, whatever you're selecting. And when you get back online, we resume your video data so your viewers can see it. I'll show you how it works. It'll take less than a minute as well. What you need to do is just start a Streamable server, which you just do right here. And when that's started, here we have the control panel where we can control our stream. Here I have my Moblin on my phone set up, as you can see over here. And I will emulate us losing connection by going to airplane mode and turning off Wi-Fi. There we go. And as you can see, it goes to connection lost with our clips player in the background. This is a low frame rate preview. So if we want to see a better preview, we can go to the remote OBS right here and see that it's on the offline scene. And now when we reconnect, we don't need to touch anything. Streamable will automatically switch us back. Oh, I have to exit that. Streamable will automatically switch us back to our phone video data and we are good to go. Anyways, hopefully that's helpful. And if you don't need that, again, the clips player is completely free. Try it out at streamable.run and I hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.